Hello, my name is Inés Urrutia de Souza. I'm a Microsoft Business Applications MVP, mostly for my work for Dynamics for Human Resources. I'm currently living in Spain, Madrid, but I'm originally from Uruguay, Montevideo, or Uruguay, that depends on your pronunciation. I'm really happy about the results and about the insights that I've learned in the 90-day mentoring challenge with Mark Smith, because it made my life easier. As a psychologist coming from a background that is not related to tech, I find it struggling sometimes with communication or creating content or building my brand. But Mark made it very clear and with amazing resources to help us to become better people and also better professionals. So thank you very much. I'm really happy about this challenge and to be accepted and enrolled in the program. So thank you. Have a nice day.